Okay, children, let's move to the next exercise. This is really a very interesting exercise. Let's see the exercise. Okay, before going into the exercise, let's read the heading. Read the words aloud. Okay, first we want to read the word loud. If the word ends with the letter A sound, write the word in the blue box. Okay, we want to read each and every letter loudly. If the word sounds A, then we want to write it on the blue box. Okay, if the word ends with the letter E sound, then we want to write it on the orange box. Okay, at same time, if the word ends with I sound, we write it on the yellow box. Okay, first we are going to read the each and every word loudly. Okay, and if you get A sound at end of the word, you can write it on the blue box. Okay, if you get a E sound at end of the word, you can write it on the orange box. If you get I sound at the end of the word, you can write it on the yellow box. This is the rule. Okay, this is the rule for this exercise. We go into it. Okay, let's read it each and every word loudly. Then we will think the end sound. Okay, first we can just read it out randomly. Chilly, chilly. CHILLY, chilly. 20, TWENTY, 20. Sty, STY, sty. Sly, SLY, sly. Sway, SWAY, sway. Tray, TRAY, tray. Clay, CLAY, clay. Marry, MARRY, marry. Rocky, ROCKY, rocky. Candy, CANDY, candy. Pay, PAY, pay. Hay, HAY, hay. Cry, CRY, cry. Apply, APPLY, apply. Sky, SKY, sky. Okay, so far we have just written the given words randomly. Now we are going to listen on which word the each and every word get ends. Okay, on which letter the each and every word gets end. Let's move to this step. Okay, this is chilly. Chilly, you are getting a E sound, isn't it? I'm just putting a E here. Getting a E sound. Chilly. Next, 20. 20. What sound you are getting, children? You can hear the E sound or A sound or I sound, children. 20. Yes, E sound. This is stay. 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 E sound. Okay, this is sly. Sly. What is sound you are getting? Sly. Yes, E sound. This is sway. SWAY, sway. Sway. You are getting which sound? You are getting a E sound or I sound or A sound. Just open your mouth and tell me loudly. Sway. 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 Yes, A sound. Very good. Okay, listen to this. T-R-A-Y, tray, 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 tray. You're getting a A sound. Very nice. Okay, listen to this. This is clay, C-L-A-Y, clay, clay. What sound you are hearing, children? You are hearing a E sound or I sound or A sound. Clay, A, clay. Yes, A sound. You are getting a sound. Marry, M-A-R-R-Y, marry, marry. You are getting which sound at the end of the word, children? Marry. Yes, E sound. Very nice. Rocky, R-O-C-K-Y, rocky, rocky. You're getting which sound? Yes, E sound. Okay, listen, this is a candy, candy. Which sound you are getting? Yes, E sound, candy, E. Pay, pay, pay. It's not a pay, pay, pay. Yes, A sound. Hey, hey. Yes, you are getting a sound. Very nice. Many of them telling very correctly. And this is cry, cry, I sound. Apply, apply. Yes, I sound. Sky. Yes, you are getting a I sound. Very good. Okay, so far we just find it out the word which ends with which sound, isn't it? Whether the word ends with A sound or E sound or I sound, isn't it? Okay, let's write it on that particular boxes. It's a second step. Okay, so far we have just underlined it and we put it what sound it gets in. Now we are going to write it on their particular boxes, isn't it? If the word ends with A sound, then we want to write it on the blue box. If the word ends with the I sound, then we can write it on the yellow box. If the word ends with the E sound, we can write it on the orange box. Okay, children? Okay, let's do it. First one, what is the sway? Yes, S W A Y, sway. And this is tray, T R E Y, tray. And this is clay, C L A Y, clay. And this is pay, pay, P A Y, pay. This is hay, H-A-Y, hay. Okay, next I sound. Cry, apply, and sky. Okay, next E sound. Chili, 20. Next, stay. It's not a E sound, isn't it? And both are I sound. Sly and stay. Stay and sly. The both are I sound. The stay and the sly are getting I sound, isn't it? I've just written E sound. I sound. Okay. Stay, sly, sly, I sound. Okay. So just write it on the I portion. Stay, sly. Okay. 20. Next one. Marry, marry. You're getting a E sound, isn't it? Marry. Rocky, rocky also you're getting a E sound. And the next is candy. Okay, children, the sty, sly. It's not a sly, it's a sty, it's a sly. It's getting a I sound, isn't it? Yes, now you just correct it. Sty and sly, you're getting a I sound. Okay children, did you understand what are the word which and the what letter sounds it's having? Okay, did you understand it well? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.